Okay, just want to make a video lesson today. This time, um, let's see, 1 second, I'm on daily. So I'm gonna go over multi-day bounces. We got 3 today, all kind of worked out a little differently. So I'm gonna start with the one that I played. I got MDIA. If you've seen any other video lessons, definitely went over this spike. But now, waiting for some bottoming, shorts to cover, some buyers to come in, and that's gonna cause a little short squeeze. So after it set its high this morning around 985, I think was the high. Got a little dip, consolidated for at least 5 minutes, which is what I like, and then came right back. Once it got close to the uh, break here, I got in. I got a little emotional and clicked the button a little too early. Entry ended up being 974, and then from there on, just wait. So let me zoom in here. Got a little choppy. We got some dips here, but then once it started holding up here, I was very comfortable with it. Should have added, honestly. This was a great opportunity to add when it was holding. I just really didn't. Just took small size on it. And then, yeah, just waited for the spike and then got out with a better average than I thought I did. I thought I got out 1074. Ended up getting out at 1080. So that was kind of nice. And then it got halted and it had a nice little gap and then it just faded the whole day. So not this isn't a move that you're really looking to last the whole day. Uh, you're really just looking for the short squeeze, just a quick move. It usually tops out around 25-30%. Sometimes you'll have strong ones like we're gonna get into right now. This one ran a lot more than what do you call it? MDIA. Let me might as well show the overall chart here. So yeah, we had that huge spike, and now we got just waiting for that reversal. And I might still be waiting for another reversal if it keeps fading because it finished red today. I usually stop looking at it when it holds green because that's kind of what I look for, that first green day where it reverses trend. But right now it's just showing that trend is still downwards, so might still wait for another bounce. But like what I was saying, SGOC, Sgoc. We got a solid move here. We had many recent spikers, so I've just kind of been looking for multi-day bounces every single day. Uh, got a red day yesterday, so for sure was looking for it. I didn't. Oops. Okay, we'll work on that. But here we go. This one I ignored because it just gapped up too much. Um, Sometimes stocks break the rules. This time it did. It really didn't hold to the pattern. What normally happens tends to happen. And here we go. We had this huge spike from the 12s to 19. So huge profit angle. Would have wished to played it. Just not really what I was comfortable playing considering how much it was up, like 30-40% here. And then when I had 2 other plays to really watch, I had MDIA as a multi-day bounce, also known as number 5, and then TPST is what I missed. This one I missed. Beautiful break here, over 21 and a half. Also another nearly 300% spiker. So shorts are trapped. People who missed that run up are gonna want to dip buy it now. So you get that little push in buying, that momentum shift, and that's all you look for. You see here, you get that fade, and even SGOC, it did have that crazy spike, but really also had a huge fade too. It is holding up. Who knows what could happen? It might come back, hold up, and we could play this as a multi-day break, and it could keep going. I don't know if that's going to happen. We got a lot of volume here that's going to have to break through. So we'll see how that plays out. But TPST set up honestly just perfectly. Just easy. it just grinded up, had a little dip here, confirmed. If you could live through some of this, you got a solid spike. But I would definitely be out in the 23s, close to 24. If I'm in down in the mid 21s, just take my 10 to 15%. Um, really what I would look for in this pattern. So when I get that, I will be happy and can't complain. Could have stayed in. Oh, what's happening here? Um, okay, well I guess that's a wrap. But yeah, hope that was helpful. Just how that pattern kind of pops up in different ways. You got three different examples right there. One of them I for sure would not have touched, and I don't regret it, even though it did take off. And MDIA, TPST, great plays, good risk reward. Wish I saw TPST, and I wish I sized up in MDIA. So this is a pattern that's going to keep on happening. It's just a bouncing ball effect. So we're gonna just wait for the next supernova and wait for the dip buy after that.